Well, hello everybody. I'm back. And today, just not in the mood. If you're new here, welcome to the Nail Coven. On Mondays, we play with makeup. And today, I thought I would show you how I do my makeup when I don't feel like doing my makeup. But I still feel like I should have a little something on. It's like when you feel like you want to wear makeup, but you just don't want to actually do the makeup. Make sense? I'm going to show you what I do when I'm feeling that way. Okay, so I'm going to start with my go-to foundation, which is the Emani Flawless Matte Foundation. It's a powder foundation in the color Linen. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this. And I'm just going to quickly put it all over my face. Get my hair out of my face. Swirl it around real quick. And I'm not even going to move the bangs because I am either in a hurry, don't care, my bangs are down anyway, no one's going to see it. I'm not going to bother with any primer. Okay, now I'm going to very quickly contour. I'm going to use my Kat Von D's Shade and Light palette. And I use the lightest contour shade in here. I'm going to use the same brush because I don't want to bother with another brush. I don't want to clean another brush. Quickly just swirl it around. Put it in the hollows of my cheek, down my jawline. Not going to bother contouring my nose because I need a different brush for that. Okay. And then for blush, really quick, I'm going to use Too Faced. And I don't know what color. This is kind of old, but it's powder, so it doesn't really. And I'm just gonna swirl it on my cheek really quick, very light. Now, the eyebrows. For someone like me with no eyebrows, if you have great eyebrows already, you're very lucky. You can just skip the eyebrows. Me, I look crazy without my eyebrows. I really do try to talk myself into actually doing my eyebrows the way I normally do them. But if I just can't pull it together enough to do them, this is what I will do. I will go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pin in medium brown. I will just do quick strokes. This I do kind of have to get my bangs out of the way because they're a little long right now. Need them cut. And yeah, I'll just make quick strokes throughout the natural shape of my brow, starting with the tail and then working forward. So that is the longest part of the whole process. Then I will take a fluffy brush like this and go back into the Shade and Light palette on the same color I used to contour my cheeks. I will put that just in the crease of my eyelids. Just to give the eyes a little definition. Now the eyeliner, again, I always feel a little weird without my eyeliner, but on these days, if I really can't handle it, I'll just do mascara, no eyeliner. This is Kat Von D's Go Big or Go Home in Trooper Black. Then there's no way in heck I want to deal with lip liner, lipstick, gloss. No. So I'm just putting on some chapstick. So yeah. I mean, it's not the most glamorous look, but it is good enough if you're just not in the mood. So yeah, that is how I do my makeup when I don't feel like doing my makeup. So yeah, that took what, 10 minutes? Not bad. If you liked this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Make sure and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you know when I upload new videos. Because, I mean, you don't want to miss them, right? I will see you in the next one.